Hi, and welcome back to R&Y Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching the Java series. Today, we are focusing on transferring Excel data from one file to another file using the JXL library. We have already covered how to create a new file and write the data in it and read the data from the file and how to update or add a new data to an existing data in Excel file. I hope you have watched the earlier videos. If not, please check them out so you can understand today's topic properly. So let's get started. We have already imported a JXL library in our project. I'm going to create a new class. Sorry, transfer data. We have workbook class in JXL library. So I'm calling the workbook class and create a object of the class. Okay. So for get workbook will help to fetch the existing Excel file. Now I use existing file for now. We have existing file in. Okay, we have existing file. So I'm using this file path. Get workbook will throw an exception. For now, I have adding the exception. You can handle the exception using try catch. We have already covered. Writable workbook will help to write data in Excel. New file. I am providing a new source file. For now, I am creating a new file data dot xls. I'm providing path. Now I am writing this data into a sheet. So sheet, you can define any name, sheet 1 or 0 index. So we are writing our data in new file in the first sheet. Here I am creating a new sheet in a new file, and now here we are getting a sheet from the existing file. Okay, now run the loop. I will explain. First, I close a workbook. After write, I will close a workbook, and now close source workbook. Sorry. Now for confirmation, I am printing a successful message. Data is successfully launched. Okay. So let me explain. First, I get existing file. So from this file, we have already this file where we have a data. As you can see, we have some data in this file, and now I am going to write the data in the target file. Our target file is new file data, which we are already created in this folder, and now I am creating a sheet in the targeting file, and now I am getting a sheet from the existing file. I am running a loop. So get row will help to get a row from the existing file source sheet. Okay, and till the last row which have a data. Okay, and now here we have a get column method. So with get column will help to get a column which have a data, and now uh, we create we get a cell from the existing source sheet and get a content from the sheet and save into the string variable. And now we are uh, write content using a label, class, method, and adding a cell. Now we are closing this. Now try to run this code and let's see the output. Okay. Now as you can see, we have not get any issue and we get a successful message. Please make sure you have close Excel file, target data uh, and source data. Now let's check. Now as you can see, we have this is a source. This is a source where we have a data. Okay, this is a target file. Just copy paste from the one file to another file. I hope you understand the concept of the how we can handle the copy the data from one file to another file. If not, then please comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching.